Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Pro Car Studio. My name is Rudy, and in this video we're going to be showcasing the StopTech big brake kit. They make them for a bunch of Hondas, Acuras, and a lot of imports. So let's go ahead and show you what's all included and show you some of the aspects of the big brake kits. So as you can see, we have everything laid out, but just to touch on the packaging, the whole kit is packaged extremely well. Everything's well protected. Comes pretty much individually boxed as far as rotors, calipers, brake pads, all that stuff. So to touch on the rotor, it's going to be, as you can see, a two-piece design. It's a much larger diameter and thickness, so it'll be able to handle a little bit more heat, way better than a factory setup. And with the two-piece benefits that you'll get is that it's going to be a little bit more lightweight. And also you're going to get a little bit less knockback on the brake pads. So when this expands under high heat and high load, the disc or rotor expands, kind of radially, whereas the hat is not going to be affected. So you're not going to get any bowing or anything if it was a one-piece design. So kind of helps at the track as well with pedal feel and all that. The calipers are a 4-piston design for this car. They have a couple of options that are 6-piston for some other vehicles, but they are full aluminum construction for the most part. Everything's very robust. They come with dust boots, so they're able to handle, daily driver use. Similar thing with the brake caliper brackets. They're machined out of aluminum, very precise part, and they're custom made for each application. The hardware is extremely sturdy, extremely durable. It's all pretty much locking high-grade hardware that'll be, really strong and well suited for basically any kind of track use or abuse you could throw at it. The hoses are custom made for this kit as well. That way it'll be all kind of a direct plug-in to your factory hard line coming off of the chassis. As you can see, it also does come with instructions, so any questions or anything you might be concerned about, it's all covered. The whole install is very comprehensive and it'll pretty much walk you through step by step. So let's go ahead and check out the brake pads as well. So touching on the brake pads, they come standard with the Sport Spec compound. Sport compounds are really good for daily use and occasional track days. Once you start getting faster though, you might want to upgrade to a racing spec compound, and you can swap those out pretty easily at the track, so you don't have to worry about excessive brake dust if you kind of daily drive this on the street. And then moving on to the brake fluid, we chose to go with the StopTech brake fluid, which is probably the recommended way to go. They have 2 different flavors, so you can check them out on our website, procivic.com. You'll be able to see which one's best suited for your application. So again, procivic.com, check out these brake kits on our website. And if you have any questions, leave them down below or shoot us an email.